We're gonna assemble the input-output valve. Okay, this goes here. Okay, this screw goes here. Okay. Okay, this goes here. Now you gotta make sure that the thick part is on the bottom for the first one only. Okay. Okay. And then you put this aside and you grab this one. This one is where the work rest sits. There's a canal here on the work rest that you pretty much, if you're looking at the machine in front of the machine, you just put it in 2 screws, okay? This goes here. The screw was put in too far in. What's some of the somebody put the screws in too far. There. Tighten these. Okay. Then this goes here. Okay. And then the one at the bottom goes here. Pretty much. Okay, so this adjusts this up and down, and this one side to side. Okay, and last, this goes here, and it's held by these two, one at each side. Okay, and to use it, you have to align it. Okay, up and down, side to side. Thank you very much.